Hi, this is Vadim, the author of the Emotional Digital Design. In this book, I tell and show how to use proven principles of psychology to create positive emotional experiences for users. It's filled with visuals, real world examples, screenshots, and analysis of real products. Exercises ranging from optimizing mobile apps to improving your own design vision. In first three chapters, you will learn how Gestalt psychology governs human perception. We will cover all main principles that you can use in your daily work to get clean and aesthetically pleasing UI design. Chapters 4 and 5 talk about laws and principles in psychology that can help in creating seamless user experience and make your products easy to use. In chapter 7, we go through the behavioral psychology toolkit that you can use in your design practice to create truly emotional experiences in your digital products. The book also covers ethics in design, empathy, when it helps and when it hurts, and many other interesting topics. And in the final chapter, you will get an exercise that will help you to develop your pixel perfect design vision. So, if you're a designer on early stages of your careers, or you want to learn how to advocate for your design decisions and back up your process with science, or maybe you are a developer or manager in the digital industry and you want to understand designers and their workflows better, then I'm sure you can benefit from this book and boost your careers. And I also hope that you will simply enjoy the reading.